So you can't really see Noah. The dipshit is laying right in the track. There's a train coming, so just doing some shit. Looking in my pocket. Hey, look, I found a pad. Oh, I'm gonna have a drink. There's a train. Okay, you see it's a really white light. Come on, Noah. Don't jump it. Just try and come with me. Come on. I'm videotaping it. Do not jump it. Noah. Noah, don't jump it. Okay? This is going on the internet. So come on.
I'm gonna jump it?
Don't jump it.
Okay.
Okay.
Back up a bit.
I'm backed up plenty. Oh, this thing's gonna go down on me.
Yeah, that's why I was telling you back up.
Woo. Come on. Okay. That's a train.
Alright, these pig fuckers, they'll honk right next.
They're gonna honk right when we... Here they go. See?
They're going down, motherfucker!
If you're If you're somebody who's into trains...
No, just back.
What?
Oh, shit.
Why?
Cover your ears.
Oh.
Come here.
If you're somebody into trains and Dongiers and somebody... So we put pennies down on the track, and basically we're just like, we have these. I'm gonna get closer, but I won't get too close. Don't worry, people. I'll be safe. Basically, you can hear the roaring of the engine.
You're gonna see this going up on that.
Oh wait, don't Noah.
Not yet.
Basically, you're seeing an engine just rolling by, particularly slowly. We put pennies down, and the track things, like those, we put those down. There's some graffiti on here.
Oh, we have a long way.
Holy shit, this is a really big train. Sure. Noah's gonna tag on it. Maybe. He's kind of an idiot, no worries. Noah! Don't get ran over! I'll get closer so you can feel the feel. Rock at it. No, those are tanks, dumbass. I have some dumbass friends, but I love them, even if they are stupid fucks. It's a really fast train. Okay, here's Noah. Whoa, hold on. This thing is practically gonna lift him up when he gets out.
Look at all the steam.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay, this thing's gonna lift him up. Try.
It's failing. It's so bad.
No,
I can feel it struggling. Ah!
Noah's like not even heavy. He's like 110 pounds.
No, I'm like 80.
Yeah, 80. He's fucking skinny as shit.
Hey. They're...
See? That's his stomach.
Alright, let's see.
We're gonna go take a look at the pennies. If we can find them.
Oh, shit.
Did they go down in them?
I don't think so. I think that... Oh, there's one. There's one. Oh, there's two. There's two.
There's 3.
Oh, hold on. These might be hot.
Is it?
Not really.
There's 3. Come
Wait.
on. I'll look on the side.
Wait, there's more.
Did you put it on the side?
Yeah, I put some like right here.
Maybe they stuck to it.
Yeah, they can stick to the train.
We're lucky. Do you have any more? Did you put them all down?
Oh, I put them all down. Shit. All right. Here we have a quarter, penny, and a nickel.
How interesting. Come on now, let's watch this thing. Bye-bye. Say bye. Okay, did it end?